I am Chris Isley, and it's my wife Marilee, and we moved here back in June. We've got 3 kids, Evelyn, Savannah, and Caleb. Evelyn is our oldest, she's 7 years old. Savannah's our little firecracker, she's 5, and Caleb is my boy. He's 1 year old, and he's loving just the space that we have.
For us, I think it was more deciding on what we wanted to do and how we wanted to do it and where we wanted to go. Always kind of keeping our kids in mind. So for us, it was finding great schools, finding a place where the kids could kind of run around and be free, and we could kind of just live our lives a little bit more carefree. But yeah, having a place that had enough kind of commerce, nice restaurants, concerts, sporting events, things to do, but also feeling like you were a little bit away. We told John and his team, I always wanted to be by the river, and that was one of my dreams. We lived in the concrete jungle of California, and I was driving 5 hours to find a river, so I wanted to be somewhere where I can just go out the backyard and really just cast in a line. And I also wanted a place where the kids can kind of run around without cars zooming by and things like that. So we kind of just told John, we're in escrow, we're really doing this. You got to find something on the river, and we're looking, and the reality of it is the market here is just climbing, and we're wondering if we're even going to find something on the river.
John and his team really took us in as friends, so we kind of had friends right away. We had a couple of people that we knew in this area, but we were really leaving our community in California, and so but we found community quickly. I think that's one of the things that's most important as a mother, and then also to know that your kids are taken care of in case something happens.
All those worries and things that we had were just kind of minuscule at that point now. We had a transition that was much more easier than we could ever imagine because of John's team, essentially. So we ended up closing on the house back in February and did some construction on it, and it just turned out to be a dream come true. And
I would also say one thing that I was really impressed with and that was really helpful is they had a relocation packet for us. So we kind of fit this bill of families that are needing this type of service. We're looking for everything new. And so, we walked into that office, and I'm asking, well, where are the grocery stores? Where are the good schools? Where, I needed to learn everything, and they had a prepared packet for us, and we just kind of went through some pages together, and I just circled things throughout our conversation.